Priscilla of Scylla's Nutrition Corner, and I wanted to go through 5 things that you can do to help you to eat towards a healthy eating habit. So we're going to go through 5 simple things that you can have on hand if you are trying to eat a little bit better or help yourself out to specific health goals. The first thing is try to have fruit or veggies or any type of fresh items available to you and in an open area. So in the kitchen, keep it already in a bowl, out displayed. That way it's easier for you to grab it and go. So it's inviting you to want to eat the fruit or vegetable and kind of have it a little more throughout the day. The second thing that you want to try to have on hand are containers. If you're changing up your eating habits or have recently started a specific meal plan or trying to incorporate more snacks or taking meals with you, then have containers already ready to go. They can be smaller containers that you can take for lunch or a snack, or you could have larger containers. That way you have something ready to go for dinner once you get home. The third thing that I would recommend that you do have on hand are staple items. So try to have staple foods that you can go to in a pinch or have always kind of in the freezer ready to go when you're putting together a meal. So you could do like frozen salmon or any other frozen meats. You can have them ready and keep them back there. That way you can kind of help build a better meal for yourself. Another good staple item are frozen vegetables. They're never going to go bad. You can open them and continue reusing them. So they're good for any meal or any snack. So also frozen veggies are good too. The fourth thing I would say to help you with having healthier is have something to carry with you for hydration. Someone probably told you, or you might have read somewhere, that you need to be drinking more water, which is true. Staying hydrated throughout the day is going to help you on multiple levels, but have something ready. Find a bottle that you like and you know that you can use throughout the day, and that will be easier for you to reuse and to refill. The final thing I would say, if you are trying to change up your eating habits, is to have some sort of maybe cookware. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It doesn't have to be super small or super big, but just have something that you can use, some sort of pan or pot, and be comfortable using it. That way you can start making your own meals at home. When you make your meals at home, you can control what goes in it and how much of it you're eating. So those are my 5 suggestions. Let me know what you think, and if you have any other suggestions you would like to hear. Thanks. If you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Comment below whatever you might think or whatever else you would like to know about. And you can also follow me on Scylla's